In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Tradestation. A limit order lets you control the maximum price you're willing to pay when buying, or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. It's perfect when you care more about price than immediate execution. Start by opening the trade bar for the symbol you want to trade. This is your command center for placing orders. If you don't see it, it's usually available along the bottom of the platform or can be enabled from the platform's view options. Make sure the chart or window you're working in is linked to the correct symbol so everything stays in sync. Next, enter the symbol you want to trade and the quantity of shares or contracts. Double-check the ticker before moving on, especially if there are multiple classes of securities with similar symbols. Set your share or contract size thoughtfully. Remember that the total value changes quickly with larger sizes, and for derivatives, contract multipliers can significantly impact exposure. From the Order Type dropdown, select Limit. This tells the platform you only want the order to execute at your specified price or better. Unlike a market order that fills at the current available price, a limit order prioritizes price control, though it may not fill immediately if the market doesn't reach your level. Now enter your desired limit price in the Limit Price field. Use the current bid and ask as guides. If you're buying, your limit is typically at or below the ask. If you're selling, it's at or above the bid. Setting a price too far from the market may reduce your chance of getting filled, while placing it near the spread can increase the likelihood of execution. Take a moment to confirm decimal placement to avoid costly mistakes. Choose the duration that fits your plan. Day means the order will expire at the end of the regular session if it doesn't fill. GTC, or Good Till Cancelled, keeps the order active until it fills or you cancel it, often across multiple trading days. Use GTC when you're comfortable leaving an order working beyond today. If you have multiple accounts, pick the correct account. Confirm you're not sending the order to a test or retirement account unintentionally. Click Buy or Sell to place the order based on your intent. Then, when the confirmation box appears, review every detail: symbol, side, quantity, order type, limit price, duration, and account. Check estimated cost and any fees and make sure it aligns with your plan. When everything looks right, confirm to send the order. Your limit order will be queued and will execute only if the market reaches your price or better.